Pamela Hughes here with Rick Trinkle, GM at Larry H. Miller Hyundai Peoria. And Rick, every time we meet, you are so excited about the new stuff you have on the showroom floor and the stuff that's coming through the door next. You're kind of like a kid in a candy store.
There's so much new technology and innovation to share, and I love seeing your face when we put you in a new vehicle to drive.
Okay, no kidding. Let's see. You've had me in a Genesis. That was awesome. I drove the all-new Kona not too long ago. So what's next?
Well, we've got the largest inventory in the entire valley, so there's a lot to choose from. Sounds like the all-new 2019 Santa Fe is next.
Okay, I like the way you think, Rick. And you know what else I like? I like that your sales staff, they're non-commissioned.
That's right. They make the same whether you spend $5,000 or $50,000. Their goal is to focus on your needs, not a commission.
And Larry H. Miller Hyundai Peoria is ready to put you in the driver's seat. Online at LarryMillerHyundai.com. That's LarryMillerHyundai.com.